Alright, it is the next day, and just got done prepping everything, cleaning. I have a little bit more washing to do down at the bottom, some washing on the top, do some washing along the end with a wet rag, and I wiped, went around twice. I use Windex, glass cleaner. I like that stuff, it works well. And this is before I go and start doing the drop coat. Yep, this is what it looks like. It's all prepped, ready to rock and roll. In the back, I got all my exhaust filtered, new filters. Don't want to pollute the environment. But here we are, and once I'm done with the first coat, the mixed coat that I do up, I'll be back. So until then, stand by. Okay, the coast is clear. My particular blend that I use to do candies and curls. Next is going to be the final clear. 3 of these bad boys are definitely doing their job. There she is. Yep. Kind of hard to tell, but I got to go in here and mix up the rest of the clear, and I'll show you the final product when it's done. So hang tight. Okay, I'm back, and the final drop coat has been put on. I know it's hard to tell through a camera, but she's glass. Yeah, all the way through. Don't want to walk around too much. I don't want to disturb the ground here and pick up any dust. I'll take my time walking around at the air moving. The actual spray booth, I don't know if you can tell, but it wants to collapse in for the amount of air that's being pulled out, reference to what's coming in. Yes, sir. I'm loving it. I'm so glad it's finally done, other than cut and buff. Yes, sir. So, that's that. Absolutely. And this is going to end this video. Yeah, it's been a lot of work, long journey. It's been a couple of weeks. It takes that long. Some people might know it and get it, and some don't, and understand the reality of what it takes. But this is the nature of the beast. You know, you could do a quick paint job, but at the end of the day, it's just going to be a quick paint job, and however long it lasts, it lasts. That's it. Everybody wants done cheap, that's fine. I get it. But in this case, this car, not cheap. No, time. And I put a lot of time into this car. Body, everything. It is, to me, I'm going to enjoy this car a lot. So, and the way, color-wise that it's been done, yeah, it's gonna be like a little devil. It's sinister. That's the word a friend of mine used. I get it. So, that's the scoop. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it's 2 different things we were doing. The ramps, plus the car. But, you know, I want to make sure it's entertaining so that I can get subscribers. It's working on close to 5 months. I think it's doing fine, I guess. I hope. And that's it. So in the meantime, if you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, you know, make a comment if you like. I would appreciate it. And until the next time, try to get something done. Peace out.